Assalamu alaikum. My dear student, I am all of you are very good. I'm back again. Okay, when I start my life, this I have seen this everything gone. I don't know why. This normally it's not happen in my class. Okay, anyway, we have some issues we have to discuss in our class. Okay, we have one problem remain number 9. Okay, short question. So I will give you today, and I want to discuss little more about one problem. Question number 2, I mean CQ2. Okay, we have to draw a histogram also, because in Bengali it's written ayatoketro. This I thought, what is ayatoketro? I think it was just frequency distribution table is more than enough, but we have to draw histogram also. Okay, so I will show it again, and after that, if I get time, I will try to solve one or two CQ from exercise 4.1 and 4.2. Okay, so let's see, and just let me know my sound, my video, my connections, everything is okay or not. Are you watching it clearly or not? Okay. Walaikum assalam. Is everything okay? All okay, very good. Okay, all clear, sir. Alhamdulillah. That's really good. Okay, so start. Today is 9th. So 09 1 2 2 0 2 0. Today is Wednesday. I hope all of you already almost finished your assignment. Okay, so assignment panic, I hope already done a few. So question number 9, 09, short question. Huh? Short question. Just you can write x plus x minus. It's given a minus b. I think a minus b or x minus a. Okay, a minus b maybe. A minus b equal a minus b whole square equals you can write 1. Okay, a minus whole square equals 1, and ab equals 5. So find the value of x plus a plus b whole square. Okay, a plus b whole square. So if it's given x minus y, you can just write x minus y whole square equals 1, xy equals 5, find the value of a plus x plus y whole square. So equals x, or someone write in the comment box, it was x or ab, x, y or ab. CQ to the short. So this is the question number 9. A minus b whole square equals 1, ab equals 5, find the value of a plus b whole square. Okay, so we have to solve solution. Okay, you can write given a plus b whole a minus b whole square equals 1. Okay, so we can apply the corollary. You know that corollary, apply a minus b whole square corollary. So what is the corollary of a minus b? A minus b whole square equals a plus b whole square minus 4ab. This is the a minus b corollary. Okay, so a plus b whole square minus 4ab equals 1. Okay, yeah, so we have to find the value of a plus b whole square for ab. ab is 5 here, right? ab is 5 equals 1. So we can sorry, ab is 6, it should be 6 here. Okay, all of you just write 6. So ab is 6, so a plus b whole square equals 1 plus 24, so it will become a plus b whole square equals 25. So a b, we can write, we need to find the value of a plus b whole square, so this is our required answer. Okay, because in the questions the value of ab is not given, so that is the answer. Answer is a plus b whole square equals 25. Okay, স্যার কালকেই শেষ করলাম আর একটু আগে বললে। আচ্ছা আচ্ছা। Okay, sir, do we have to use graph paper? Yes, you have to use graph paper. Graph paper for histogram. Okay, CQ2, you have to draw histogram, Baba. CQ2, question number B. Okay, you have to draw histogram. Okay, frequency distribution table already we have done, but you have to draw histogram. Okay, so from A we get from, no, not from A, frequency distribution table already we know, so we can write frequency distribution table again. Frequency distribution table, we can write frequency distribution table. It is in total 6 classes. Okay, so that was our frequency distribution table. This is heading. Okay, 5. Okay, yes, so this one is class interval. Class interval, the marks, and this one is frequency. Okay, frequency. So we started 140 to 143, I think. 140, 143. Okay, 140, 140, 143, 144, 147, 150, 153, 154, 150. It's okay, 154, 147. It's okay, 50, 47, then 48. So this one is 148 to 151, right? 151. Okay, 151, 152 equals 150, 152, 151, 152, 150. Okay, 152, 150, 155, 155, 150. 156 and 159. Okay, here is 1 1 1 5 11 as I remember. Okay, here should be 11, here 11 and 5 to 1. So here is 5, here is 5, here is 2, here is 1. So 11 11 5 2 1. Okay. So this is the frequency distribution table. This one is the frequency distribution table. Frequency distribution table. Okay, yesterday we have constructed frequency distribution table, and after that we have to draw histogram. Okay. Okay. স্যার আগের গুলা কিছু কাঁপবো না, শুধু হিস্টোগ্রাম একে লাগিয়ে দিব। এই হিস্টোগ্রামে লাগিয়ে দিলে হবে, ঠিক আছে। কাটা লাগবে না, হিস্টোগ্রাম একে just you can draw a histogram and you can make a staple. Okay, just you can draw one histogram, but because histogram you have to draw in the graph. Okay, and after drawing the histogram you can just make the staple. Everything will be fine. Okay, so you have to draw the histogram. you have to take graph paper. So from the table, from the frequency distribution table, from the frequency distribution table, okay, we are drawing okay, we are drawing histogram, in the following, or in the, we are drawing histogram, it's okay, we are drawing histogram, it's okay, okay. So you can take axis here, this is x-axis, so x prime 0 x, and this one is y 0 y prime, okay. And look at that, it started from 140. Okay, for histogram we have to convert it to the continuous graph, okay. So again we have to draw it, again we have to construct it, okay. So we are not writing this tally marks, we don't need actually, okay. So we are just writing here, this one is class interval, this one is continuous, this is continuous class interval, and this one is frequency, okay. So here 5 2 1 2 3 4 5, okay, 4 5, this one is class interval, this one is class interval, this one is continuous class interval, continuous class interval, okay, and this one is frequency, okay. So class interval 140, 143, 144, 147, 148, oh man, it's okay, fine, 148, 151, 152, 155, okay, 156, and 159, okay. And here we have to write 139, 139.5, we have to subtract here 0.5, and we have to add here 0.5, so 143.5, 143.52, 147, 147.5, okay, 147.5 to 151.5, okay, 151.5 to 155.5, okay, 156, 155.5 to 159.5, okay. And frequency here 11 5 to 1, okay, 11 5 to 1. So we have to start 139.5, or we can start 40, no problem. Normally, look at that here, if you don't construct this frequency, continuous frequency distribution table, it's also okay, no problem. In class, actually this continuous class interval, it start from class 9, okay. So before that, its continuous class interval is not given in the textbook, so you don't need to, but we are just teaching you how to do this actual histogram. You have to draw, you have to take continuous class interval, okay, because this bar of every single bar of histogram, it's continuous, there is no blank space in between two bar, okay. So that is why you have to do continuous, but before class 9 you don't need to, it's not given in the textbook, okay. So if you take just only this line 140, look at that, 140, 44, 48, 52, 56, it's also absolutely fine, no problem, okay. You can take like this, You can take like this 140, 140, 140, 144, 144, 140, 144, 148, 140, 152, 156, 156. You can give like that, or you can take this continuous. This continuous class interval is more accurate. Okay, so that is why we teaching here is accurately how you have to construct future. Okay, so this is accurate. This is also accurate because this because you are just starting. Okay, how to draw the frequency distribution table and how to draw the how to draw the this histogram. Okay, so starting level, it's okay, no problem. If you take just only 140, 144, 148, it's okay, no problem. Later you can automatically, you will understand how it makes more accurate. Okay, but we are teaching now this continuous class interval also, because at the beginning level we are teaching you accurate what things you have to do later. Okay, so you can write 140, 144, 148, 152 like this, or directly 139.5, 139.5, 139.5, 139.5, 143.5, 143.5, 147.5, 147.5, 151.5, 151.5, and last one 155, 155, 5.5. Okay, this one, and you can take up to this. Okay, because it will be a mark. Okay, so and here you can take for example up to 11 we have, so you can take every single for example here you can take up to 5. For example here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. For example, this one is Y. Okay, so this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, this one is 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is 10. Okay, and this one is 11. So you can take like this way, and you have to write this class interval. You have to write this arrow sign class interval, and you have to also write here this arrow sign here, and you have to write after the arrow sign you have to write frequency. Okay, frequency, and you have to put all the data inside of this graph. So do you have any questions? Sometimes one questions come in your mind. We have sometimes why we are drawing when we go to draw the histogram, what we take like this way is just one side. This 0 point called origin. Okay, this origin takes one side. Do you know why? Sometimes this one small questions maybe comes in your mind. Do you know why we have taken like this way? Because normally graph should be this way. Okay, normally this is the origin. Okay, so why we have taken this way? Do you know that? I'm telling you, just listen to me. Why? Look at that here. This graph has 4 quadrants: first, second, third, and fourth. Okay, fourth quadrant. So this one is all positive. First quadrant always all the positive numbers existing in first quadrant. Look at that. In the frequency distribution table, there is no negative numbers. Okay, there is no negative. All numbers are positive. So all positive numbers all the time belongs to first quadrant, because when you get this x-axis and y-axis, both of this number, both of these coordinates are positive, so it must be existing first quadrant. That is why we have taken this big, huge first quadrant, because we know that we can just think like that. Okay, all numbers, all data, all everything, it will exist in first quadrant. That is why we have taken this big first quadrant, only first quadrant. Okay, because we need it. We need more space. That is why. Okay. So I think if anyone asks you any questions about why you have taken like this way, you can answer very easily. Okay. So look at the first one. So first one is 11. So we have to take up to this point 11. Okay. This one is 11, and this one also 11, because first two, okay, first two is 11, 11. Okay, so we can take 11, and after that it is 5. So after that this third bar should be 5 here. Okay, and second one is 2, 1, 2. So we can take it as 2, and last one it is 1. Last one it is 1. Okay. Okay, we can draw this histogram and we can attach with your answer. Everything is fine. If you want, you can give the continuous class interval data set. It's okay. If you don't want, if you don't give the continuous class data set or data table, it's also fine. No problem. Okay. Don't worry. So this is the assignment of this is the third assignment of you. What's given here? Okay, what's given to you by the board, by the government, and already all assignments and everything we have finished. Okay, and what you have to do, just write in the comments, and what new things I have to start. Okay, I will do according to your requirements, your demand. No problem. All the time, you know that all the time when you just knock me, most of the time, in any time, I try to respond to you. Okay, I try to give the answer of your questions, all kinds of worries. Okay, so write in the sir ager gula. মধ্য লিখেছ 52 কে 50 লিখবা এবং আচ্ছা ওকে সরি আমার 80 53 47 আসছে ইটস অলসো ওকে হাফিজা রহমান আইডি থেকে you have written sorry আমার 80 53 47 ডিগ্রি আসছে ইটস অলসো ফাইন নো প্রবলেম ওকে if you have if you have like that, you are talking about CQ1, so it's also fine, no problem. কোনো মেজারমেন্ট ছাড়া কাট করে দিছে কজ মাথায় কিছু ছিল না ওকে তাহলে স্যার কালকে ক্লাসে কি করলো কালকে না ক্লাসে সিকিউ2 সলভ করে দিছিল হ্যাঁ সিকিউ2 কালকে ক্লাসে যতগুলো সলভ করে দিছিল এভরিথিং ইজ ফাইন ওকে everything up to yesterday class it was okay but you have to draw just histogram you have to draw just only histogram নজরুল আইডি থেকে you have written yeah তাহলে স্যার কালকে না ক্লাসে সিকিউ2 সলভ করে দিছিল up to last class is also fine baba you have to do that part and you have to add just histogram graph of histogram okay চামলি সরকার আমার মাথা মনে হয় আসলে নষ্ট হয়ে গেছে কেন বাবা হ্যাঁ বাল প্লাস দিন মিলে 13 প্লাস আওয়ার ঘুমায় হ্যাঁ ওকে we can do whatever. Okay, just leave this kind of discussion. So we have to solve one problem. I am giving you one problem, and you can solve it. You have to solve it right now, and you have to give the answer. Okay? Just look at that one CQ questions I am giving. All problems already we have finished, so we have to start new something. I'm giving one CQ right now, and you have to solve it right now. Okay, you have to write it. You have to write the answer in the comment box. Okay, so CQ related to exercise 4.1 and 4.2. Okay, x plus a plus 1 by a plus 1 by a equals 5. Okay, so number I calculate the value of or find the value of a minus 1 by a whole square, a minus 1 by a whole square. Okay, and b, what is the value of a4 plus 1 by a4. It's very easy, I think. This one you can do very easily. Number C, it will little tough for you. So show that a to the power 6, a 6 minus 110, a cube plus 1 equals 0. Okay, just do it all of you and see how much you can do without any kinds of preparation. Okay, I hope you can solve it. This problem is not much big deal for you. Okay, so Asha ki ase bhai, o to amar best friend hai bhalo. Acha, only just do the math baba. All of you just try to do it. Sir, baki SQ gula baki ki আছে baki to নাই baba. O sir, baki SQ baki কোনটা আছে? Which one is left? Is there any SQ left to solve? Every single problem I have solved it. I think 1 or 2 questions is very small, very easy, so you can do it by yourself. Okay, at least few number of questions. I think 2-3 questions I have to leave. You have to do something. Okay, it's very easy. No sir, কালকে করে দিয়েছে তো। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, আপনি ইম্পর্টেন্ট গুলো পড়েন না কেন স্যার? ইম্পর্টেন্ট গুলো কোনটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট বাবা বলো, কোনটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট? কোন ইম্পর্টেন্ট বলো? আদ্রিকা লিখেছো না? আদ্রিকাই তো চামেলি সরকার আইডি থেকে তুমি লিখেছো যে স্যার ইম্পর্টেন্ট গুলো পড়ে না। কোন ইম্পর্টেন্ট আমি পড়লাম না স্যার? SQ9 করিয়ে দেন। SQ9 একটু আমি করিয়ে দিলাম। জাইফ সামিন SQ9 একটু আমি করিয়ে দিছি বাবা। স্যার দয়া করে এই হিস্টোগ্রামটা প্লিজ কপিতে গ্রাফে করান। ও গ্রাফে করাবো? আচ্ছা, কালকে আপনি তো CQ1 এর আর রিপিট করেন নাই। CQ1 কি রিপিট করবো? রিপিট করে না, পরে রাতে মাথা নষ্ট করে বুঝতে পেরেছি। এখন এইটা যদি ভালো মতো না বুঝি কেমনে হবে? কি কোনটা CQ1 আর রিপিট, কোনটা ভালো মতো না বুঝলে কেমনে হবে? স্যার প্লিজ CQ1টা আবার করেন প্লিজ অ্যাসাইনমেন্টের। CQ1টা আবার কি করবো? এটা একটা একই জিনিসকে বারবার করানো যায়? এটা করানো আছে। একটা তুমি ডেসক্রিপশন না লিখলে হয় না? ডেসক্রিপশন না লিখলে হবে। ওকে, ইউ ডোন্ট নিড টু রাইট ডেসক্রিপশন। ইটস ওকে, ফাইন স্যার। only not done 5 SQ 5 ওটা তুমি পারবা 5 SQ। হ্যাঁ, we have nothing to do serious something, that is why you are feeling like sleepy. ওকে স্যার, হিস্টোগ্রামের ডেসক্রিপশন লিখতে হবে না? না লিখলে হবে, সমস্যা নেই। ডেসক্রিপশন লিখতে পারলে ভালো। If you want you can write it. Okay, if you don't want just leave it. Okay, I told you you have to answer the question, this CQ question. Okay, so because already we have finished our CQ questions. If you want you can write. Okay, description of the histogram, if you want you can write it, because in number B it will become so big. Okay, so if you want you can write the description of this histogram. If you don't want, it's okay, you can leave it. Just if you draw histogram, mainly histogram requires just drawing, accurate drawing. Okay, sometimes in upper class, I think class 9, you don't need to write description. Okay, you don't need to write scale also. Okay, so if you draw accurately, everything will be fine, no problem. Yes sir. পড়ছেন, এখন গ্রাফটা করিয়ে দেন। কোন গ্রাফ বলো? চামেলি সরকার আইডি থেকে তুমি বলছো আদ্রিকা কোন গ্রাফ বাবা, আমি তো কোশ্চেনই বুঝি নাই, কোন গ্রাফের কথা বলছো? স্যার ডেসক্রিপশন লিখতে হবে না, লিখলে ভালো, না লিখলে নো প্রবলেম। স্যার প্লিজ, ওরা নিজেদের লিখতে বলছে। হ্যাঁ স্যার পরে বলতে পারবেন না, নো স্যার রিয়েলি গুড, স্যার পরে বলতে পারবেন না, ডেসক্রিপশন লিখতে হবে। ওকে আই ওয়ান্ট সে, নো প্রবলেম। ওকে আই I won't say, no problem. ব্লাড হচ্ছে স্যার, ব্লাডই নো। ঠিক আছে, I think now. Yes. Okay, so look at that here. First one, given a plus 1 by a equals 5. Okay, so we have to find the value of a minus 1 by whole square. So just do like that. A plus 1 by a whole square equals 5 square. Squaring in both sides. Squaring in both sides. Okay, squaring in both sides. So we have to apply the corollary. A minus b whole square, a minus 1 by a whole square plus 4 into a into 1 by a equals 25. Okay, so this one gone. You can write a minus 1 by a whole square equals 25 minus 4. So we can write a minus 1 by a whole square equals 21. So we have to find the value of a minus 1 by whole square. So look at that, a minus 1 by whole square equals 21. So this is the required value. You can find the value like this way. Okay. So answer is 21. Answer is 21. Okay. Sir, কালকে যদি বলছেন ডেসক্রিপশন লিখতে হবে, I swear to God, আমি টাটা 3 দিন ঘুমাবো। I won't say, don't worry. Okay. SQ9 তো কোয়েশ্চেন আলাদা। SQ9 কি কোয়েশ্চেন বাবা? SQ9 এ দেওয়া আছে এরকম, SQ9 ছিল এরকম, a minus 1 by a equals 29, a minus b whole square equals 29. So find the value of a plus b whole square. This is the question. This is the original question. So it is not valid questions. I have given the correction. The correction I have given, a minus b whole square equals 1. Okay, ab equals 6. What is the value of, or find the value of a plus b whole square? Find the value of a plus b whole square. Find the value of a plus b whole square. Okay, so this is the correction. A minus b whole square, a minus b whole square equals 1, a equals 6. Find the value of a plus b whole square. Okay, sir, SQL question এবার দিলাম তো, এটাই করে দেওয়া হয়েছে বাবা। আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, কবিতা করে দিলাম, সমস্যা নাই। ওকে, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, আশা করি বুঝেছি, কবিতা করে দেবো, সমস্যা নাই। Okay. Okay, I hope all of you get the question. And next one I am going to solve. This is number B. Okay. So number B, what it is? What is the value of F4 B4? F4 plus 1 by F4. So F4 plus 1 by F4. Okay. A to the power 4 plus 1 by A to the power 4. You can write S square whole square plus 1 by S square whole square. Okay, so S square plus 1 by S square whole square minus 2AB. Okay, so this one gone. So look at the what corollary we applied here. This is A square plus B square equals A plus B whole square, A plus B whole square minus 2AB. This corollary we used here. A is A square whole square. Instead of A we are considering A square, instead of B we are considering 1 by A square. Okay, so again we have to apply same corollary inside of this bracket. So here A square plus 1 by A square, we can write A plus 1 by A whole square minus 2 into A into 1 by A. So this bracket here and square minus 2. So this one gone. So here A plus 1 by A equals 5. So it's 5 square minus 2. A whole square minus 2. So you can write 25 minus 2 whole square minus 2. So 25 minus 2 whole square, what it is? It is 23 minus 2. So 23 square, I think 527 maybe. 23 square, 23, it is 9, it is 6, okay? So here 6, 4. So what it is? 9, 12, 12, it's 529. So it is 529 minus 2. 529 minus 2, it is 500, 527. 527. Yes, 527 it is. Answer is 527. That is our required answer. Okay, that is our required answer. Because you are feeling not good, I know that, because already you have finished your assignment, most of the work you have done. So this class you won't feel good. Yeah, I understood, no problem. Sometimes it's happened to everyone. Okay, it's okay. But you have to attend, you have to solve these kinds of problem. Number C. Okay, number C, show that A to the power 6. So this one is important. It's several times these questions come in the board exam, okay, a class JSC board exam, several times, 2-3 times these questions came in the board JSC exam in last few years, okay. Okay, so A to the power 6 minus 1 0 a cube plus 1 equals 0, we have to show it. So how we can show it? Okay. Okay, so how we can do it? We can do like this way. We can do a cube plus 1 by a cube. Okay, a cube plus 1 by a cube. Okay, a cube plus 1 by a cube equals, we can apply the formula a cube plus 1 by a cube. We know that a plus b whole cube minus 3 ab into a plus b, a b into a plus b. Okay, so we can do it. So look at that here. We can write, so a cube plus 1 by a cube. Okay, a cube plus 1 by a cube equals, we can apply the value here. So a plus 1 by a, the value of a plus 1 by a equals 5. So 5 cube, this one gone. So 3 into a plus 1 by a equals 5. So we can write, we can here take the LCM is a cube. Okay, so look at that. In the numerator, here the denominator is 1. If we divide a cube divided by, oh bloody minute. Yeah, now it's looking little clear. Okay, so it will be a6 plus 1. Okay, and here this 5 cube, what does it mean 5 cube? 125, okay? 125 minus 15, okay? So we can write a6 plus 1 divided by a cube equals 125 minus 15, so 110, okay? So we can write a to the power 6 plus 1 equals 110 a cube. 110 a cube. 110 a cube. So we can write a6 minus 110 a cube plus 1 equals 0. So this is the answer, and it's shown. Okay, it's short or something. Okay. Okay, my dear student, thank you for your patience. Thank you for your attending in the class. Okay, you worked a lot. You finished your assignment, and most of the assignment already you have submitted. This is last one, and you have enough time. Last date is 12th of this month. Okay, and enjoy your time and enjoy the all classes remaining today or tomorrow or so on. Okay, thank you so much. See you next class. Next class means next week. Next week maybe Monday. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.